Hello, and welcome to the Techniforce tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you a super handy app named VideoBox that lets you resize videos and change their background color for any platform. First, click the Browse button to select the video you want to resize, and then click Open, and then click Next. Here, you can adjust the size and change the video's background color. Now, choose the aspect ratio that fits your needs. Select 1:1, 2:3, 4:5, 9:16, 16:9, or 21:9. I will go with 9:16 for Instagram Reels and mobile videos. Now you can adjust the video by sliding it to fit within the frame. Next, pick the background color. You can do this by changing the RGB, HSL, or HEX values. For example, if I want the background color to be white, I can simply change the HEX value like this. Once you're happy with the adjustments, click Generate to process the video. Enter the video name, hit Save, and it'll take just a moment to finish. Your resized video is now ready. Let's navigate to the File Explorer. This is the generated file. Let's see the frame width and height. Its width 606 and height 1080 pixels. Let's play this video. As you can see, it is white background, and it's been resized perfectly for Reels, TikTok, or mobile videos. Let's do another quick example. This time we'll choose a 1:1 ratio. Now adjust the video by sliding it to fit within the frame. This time we'll set the background color to blue. Again, hit Generate, enter the title, and then click Save. Now wait for a moment to finish. Now go back to File Explorer. This is the second generated file. Let's see frame size. It has 1080 height and 1080 width, both are same. Let's play this. As you can see, the video now has a bluish background, and the ratio is 1:1. That's how easy it is to resize videos and change the background color for any platform. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.